Do you know the secret behind fingerstyle guitar? Watch this video and find out. Hi, I'm Marco from MGF Guitar Academy. Today we are talking about the ultimate secret of fingerstyle guitar, the alternating bass. As the name suggests, alternating bass is a technique where you alternate the bass note between two lower strings using your thumb. Generally, the sequence starts with the thumb playing the root note, the one that gives the chord its name. On the next beat, it plays another note from the same chord, usually across the lower strings. Let's see how it works on a 4/4 progression using C, E minor, B flat and F major chords. The progression with alternating bass sounds like this. As you can notice, the thumb keeps moving in quarter note between two strings. However, the strings change depending on the chord we are playing. Keep in mind that the thumb is the most important finger in fingerstyle. It's the motor driving of your arpeggios. Let's focus on the bass note first. When we play C major, the thumb alternates between 5th and 4th strings. On E minor, the thumb alternates between 6th and 4th. On B flat it goes back to the 5th and 4th strings. And on F alternates between 6th and 4th. In case you don't remember these chord shapes, you can download our free guitar chord book on the MGF Guitar Academy website. You'll find all the positions you need inside. The link is right down in the description. Back to us, I highly recommend practicing the thumb movement because it needs to move independently from other fingers. Now let's look on the other fingers. The pattern is always the same. On the first beat, play the second string with the middle, while your thumb plucks the 5th string. On the second beat, play the 3rd string with your index finger after plucking the 4th string with your thumb. 1, 2. So. Then continue with 2 more bass movements. 1, 2, 3, 4. If you struggle with your finger or you want to dive deeper, we have an online video course called That Zero Fingerstyle Basic available on our website. The course is in Italian but includes English subtitle, and it will help you to use your right hand fingers perfectly. Let's go back to the pattern. I'll play it slowly for you. Now you just need to practice this pattern on all the other chords. Just remember to change the bass note according to the chord you are playing. From now on, every time you play an arpeggio with an alternating bass, pay close attention to your thumb. It is the heartbeat of your playing. Make sure it's accurate and never stop moving. Alright, we have reached the end of the video. I hope you'll find it interesting and useful. See you next time.